Today's video has kindly been sponsored by myself and my web shop, the scalemodelingchannel.shop. If you're in need of any scale modeling paints, 3D printed items, body kits, model kits, or accessories for your builds, feel free to check out the website and help support the channel. Today we're going to start on a new project from IxoCollections. This one has been out for quite a while and it's the Alpine A110. I've built one of these in 1/24 scale a couple of years ago on the channel, so if you're interested in following along and seeing that build, be sure to look through my older videos and check that build series out. It was one of the Tamiya kits. Now this one is going to be built by my friend Kevin. He's going to be helping me out with a lot of these 1/8 scale projects in the future, as that just takes a lot of time out of my hands and I can focus more on the scale modeling side of things. So in part 1 most of the chassis was completed, and in part 2 we're going to finalize the interior, some more of the chassis bits here and there, also the exterior, and finish off the entire build. Now be sure to leave a comment down below if you like what Kevin is doing here, and maybe if you have some tips or suggestions for his next project. He will be picking up where I left off on the Porsche 917, so more updates will follow on that one pretty soon as well, as he is going through these quite fast. As far as voiceover goes for this video, this is pretty much it, as most of it is pretty self-explanatory and there are a lot of instructional videos online already about this, so just enjoy the build itself as it is pretty simple. If you liked Kevin's handiwork on this project, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and also again leave a comment for Kevin to give him some more inspiration for the next builds.